Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Google backup on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe up on the home button twice, like this, and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on the system. Here tap on backup. Now make sure that the backup to Google Drive is enabled. As you can see, in my case it is, but if it's not, simply tap on the slider next to it to enable it. Then tap on the account option, and here we need to add the account we want to use for our backup. So let's tap right here, enter the account name, then tap next. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap next. Here tap on I agree. Then tap more and tap accept. Here tap OK. And now, as you can see, the backup is enabled. We have the backup account. You can tap right here and check what is waiting for backup. As you can see, you can also tap on backup now button. For me it's not available for some reason, but it should be available for you to backup your data to your Google account. And that's how you enable the Google backup on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.